Good afternoon. Thanks for checking in. Here we are in Hockinson, Washington. We're finishing up this garden pathway, and we installed these garden boxes and the soil and the irrigation and the bluestone and gravel. Once was a nice sod lawn, and we tore it all out, did proper soil amendment, rototilled everything in, moved plants in the middle of the heat wave, and they were struggling a little bit, but they're doing really well. Yeah, we'll take a walk through and we'll let you take a look. We put some black netting all along the fence to keep the rabbits out of the yard, and it turned out pretty well. So here we go. Custom bluestone pathway, cedar boxes, small little boulder retaining wall. All fresh new lawn. This is the perennial ryegrass. We get all of our turf from Kunze Turf down in Salem, Oregon. Make sure that we're ordering the correct amount, so that way we're not having to order again the next day, but it turned out pretty darn nice.